Hi, I'm Paramita Das. I'm a student of class 12, stream Commerce, CBSE affiliated. So, due to lockdown, our exam was cancelled and our result is still awaited. Because of this pandemic situation, colleges which conduct entrance exams has decided to take their entrance in online mode. Here, Xavier's University had already released their form in the month of June and had already taken their two mock tests on 8th and 9th July. 11th July is the final date of examination. So now I'm gonna show you the process of CBT exam. The full form of CBT is Computer Based Test. We have to do right click in AppTech Game Changer exam player and then we have to click in Run as Administrator. Then click Yes. Then click here to security check. When the configuration page is open, we have to write the IP address which will be provided by the university. Now click on Go. If any problem occurs during this process, then I will provide the solution at the end of the video. Make sure that your system doesn't contain any antivirus or Skype. Now the candidate login page will open. Then we have to write our roll number, our password and our PIN, which will be provided by the university. Then click Login. Then we have to verify our face and click Verify. Then we have to click the Next button. Here we have to read the instructions very carefully and then click Next. Click I agree, then click Next. Then click Start Exam. Now you can see your questions and you can give the answers. Now click on End Exam. Click on Submit. In case if you face any problem during this process, then you have to delete this AppTech Game Changer and Exam Player. If you can't delete this, then do right click, then click Task Manager. Then select the running AppTech process and then click End Task. Now you can delete exam player. Then right click on exam player RAR file, then click on Extract here. Now new exam player folder is available. Open exam player folder. Then right click on AppTech Game Changer exam player which size is 236 KB. Click Send to, then click Desktop. Now you can see the AppTech Game Changer exam player on your desktop. If this video is helpful and informative, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thank you.